This is Mike with the Chevy truck. I have an update for you guys. I'll be working on doing the seats today. So I have quite a bit of work ahead of me to do. I do have to mount the seat belts and also the brackets because I have to custom make them because this actually came out of a Chevelle. So I just got the upholstery back. The other seat's over there, right there. It connects, puts it in. I was just trying to test everything. It makes it a little bit lighter to move it. So you can already see in here, I have bolts that mount into the frame. Since this is a different vehicle, obviously, I have to custom make these. I'm gonna bolt these in and then tap, drill through here and then tap the bolt through and then connect it to the frame. I'm gonna do the same thing to the top part. But since it's kind of a dip in the seat, I have to angle it up, I noticed, because I already kind of prefabricated it. So I'm gonna have these three connect together, all those, and then the same thing is gonna connect in here. And then hopefully that bracket will be solid enough to where I could drive and ride in it. And then I can enjoy the vehicle because I haven't been able to drive it because obviously there's no seats. So that's where we're at. And hopefully I get pretty far today and I actually could drive it. We'll see. There's gonna be quite a bit of testing and making sure everything fits and mounts up perfectly. So I'm gonna have to be under and underneath this thing and doing quite a bit of testing. So that's where we're at right now. We'll see see how far we get. Able to get the interior in, which was great. The brackets, it was a bit of a challenge because I had to custom make the brackets because they came off a Chevelle. This doesn't fit inside this 1948 Chevy 3100. So I did the measurements with the seats. I got these seats off Facebook Marketplace. I had it reupholstered by Lane Upholstery, and then I made the custom brackets, and then I was able to put it in. I bought the carpet from LMC Truck, I believe, off their website. I got their custom carpet for this, and I have bed sills coming in. So those will come in and they'll mount here, and they'll cover this up so it'll sit flush after that. It'll kind of cut those seams off. And I think it came out great. I'm really excited. I'm glad it still looks authentic to its year. I didn't want anything too retro. I didn't want like bucket seats or anything like that. I think it looks a lot better with the interior the way it is. So I got the new chrome in there. The steering wheel's new. That looks a little bit modern, but not really. And then the gauges are still original in there. And I think it's a really nice setup. And the rear, I did install that rear pan back there. So it came out really nice. A little bit everything on this truck has been pretty difficult to do, but I've been getting through it. I mean, been making it all work, thank goodness. So there's probably some things I would do, but I'm not sure how much further I want to go. The doors, they definitely need some adjustment. This door needs some adjustment. It's really hard to open, and then when I close it, I have to slam it like really hard. And I shouldn't have to do that with a truck like this. But all in all, I really like the color. I like the white walls. I think it looks really nice. It's a nice vintage look to a truck like this. So this is Mike, and I also have a 1954 Chevy Bel Air I just bought, and I'll be showing you that one. I'll be working on that one next. So I have quite a bit to do on that project, and I'm not sure what way I want to go with it. But this truck is pretty much done. I'm going to do a few details here and there to clean it up. Other than that, I'm just going to drive this around and cruise in it. So this is Mike. Have a good day.